Hello, my beautiful people. How you guys doing? I hope say Oman stand gallant. 1 minute, so please. Please, when you enter the live, please like the video and share the video. Oh God. Oh. I just manage what I have now. Sorry guys, I will use my phone on something. Oh God. Only one don't open camera there you go. I beg. How everybody there? I hope say everybody stand fine. Guys, I would like to have a brief show for concern CY International Open Show. I want to tell you the development and what actually happened on CY. I'll make a very brief show. I'll make a very brief show because I don't see the whole community. People they like, no, they're not lucky, no, they're lucky, no, they don't know the cause, they don't know. So I go avoid everything where I go talk and for fun my screen. I go avoid things them on my screen. But for community for no, yes, they don't lock the pick CY this morning time for morning time. Where Papa God, I'm on the live. People call, oh God, see monitor never sleep for one call to the other. Please, I'll call you right back. I'm online. I'll call you right back, okay? Oh, God. I heard about. So, guys, the pick CY this morning time. One minute. I don't die my own. I don't die. So, guys, yes, they don't pick CY. If any community, if any person, the answer say they pick CY or they not pick CY, yes, not be allegedly. Now, from the right source, first-hand information. Yes, it's not allegedly, it's not whatever, it's not whatever. Yesterday, CYB make a show where actually I be come my first show before he can later on apologize for my first show where I be make where police they be for house. So now if you notice I don't bring down the show where people then come outside there. I can't make sure say no na police people na gendarme them. Yes, it was real gendarmes where it come after say no na fisia no don't bring people there for my house. It was real gendarmes. Now because say they no be picky yesterday, see why yesterday because first, it was little bit late, and secondly, as it be just there for fun, they come away, but don't be late. They begin for go back, come this morning time. They pick CY early morning. early this morning where the picky family be there for day, the picky ride for inside house. I hear people they say they pick people without a warrant, they pick people without a this. No, they pick CY with they had a warrant, Maputan so. Yes. They don't fit just come out and pick person illegally like that. No. They don't fit can pick person illegal like that. No. They had everything where they began for picking. So the situation now, yesterday, even I be see 2 days ago, I was so mad because I was part of the team for Kamif, where I know all my suffer, my sleepless night, my kosh, what be they on top kosh. The sacrifice where I be put in for Kamif, I was so mad. When they talk of mad at CY, I was so mad because you imagine say people go put in their optimum best for make an occasion to be a success. Whether that occasion na non-profitable something where person they put in, take money, millions for carry out, just say it made the Cameroon film industry no die down. Just for make the industry make boss say no, Cameroonian they get their own things the way they fit say no, okay, festive period, yes, and Kamif na the only thing where the boss were culture out there to the community. So when CY really come, he began talk down at Alex. So if you watch my video, I was so mad, I was so angry, I was so not even person barrister enter under my live show. Tell me say Taiwa calm down, let love lead. I was so very mad at CY way. I be there for that stage where I feel really insult CY. You understand? The problem for our industry now, CY. I know say negativity and bullying na highest thing where people they expect from the industry because na they give views, na they give them, but it's not. That mean it be least of a thing. Right now, CY come for night yesterday where they began to come pick you. I like camera. I say CY open that door, wait. I was so still mad at CY. But after CY make an apology, I see people they talk say he go make apology now because he be don't send danger. That one not true. Before he want come, CY want make that show of yesterday, they be the callie, do this, do that, but because of I feel say strong hate or Iweti, he was aware waiting be the camp for yesterday. Now the thing that might be. For me, I no one judge what caused him to apologize yesterday, but I felt the apology deep within me, where I be still go the whole today, I never sleep. I keep on begging, keep on crying. And I believe say Mr. Bogibe now a very good person for the aspect say we are still Cameroonians. And they see all over the place, he deserve them. Yes, he deserve them, but at what detriment? We deserve them. They say, wait, see, person we never seen, may pick the first stone, he shoot them. I'm a fan of 80-20, but I'm not a fan of CY's 80-20. I'm a fan of the putting Cameroon up there. I call her as Siri used to put a 99-1. I'm that person, not even 80-20, but 99-1% about our culture. But the problem now we see why people they say it's a lie. No, see why it's in custody. It's not allegedly. I get first-hand information. I'm not saying allegedly because I have first-hand information that CY is there for Boya, for Legion right now. Okay, guys. Siri, welcome. Yeah, I want to talk to you now, Papa. First of all, now wait to be the situation at ground. People they don't say they don't know why they arrest CY. I will be diplomatic because I go quote my languages there because of you understand. Might be when it don't reach or break down, but at least I know if we keep community the blank of what will happen. He say, oh yes, I am 99-1, but not doing it the other way around. It's okay, but you understand? Not if keep community the blank. I know now I say man like Makama, but what is on ground right now? Mr. Bogibe was so angry because he take upon himself, he invite guests from from Nigerians. They made a can help for a festival for Cameroon here where they call them Camif. These guests, they are visitors in our country, but when I don't see how Mr. Bogibet and CY, they don't always get their loggerheads. We CY don't always craft for that part for like bring down the Camif thing, but the part where see why na go touch am, when we give a touch am. Now the last post we make away put Prime Minister for inside, he put Nigerian flag for inside the very comment. It does if he be this for the very comment. He come go coach some video there they be telling me move am. He go re-edit and go post am for TikTok. So see why not get only one offense. He gave various offenses the way he did for you and my beautiful and sexy people. See why no go come out today. I don't cry, I don't beg. See why he apology touched me yesterday, because I be one of those negative seeds them for industry way. I started from a very rough part. I start for that part for insult people on YouTube when they feel coda. Say saga, now for the way I be start my career. I don't be 4 years for media, but I don't be now for YouTube. When I be see, if I were there YouTube, not na kind of people they watch me, because I be don't way build my audience now for YouTube, but I be build them in a negative way. If me I feel rebrand myself, I believe say Grand CY feel rebrand himself. When CY made the apology yesterday, it touched my bone marrows. It touched me place where be don't ever touch me before. I believe say CY don't reason. They say something must force somebody for change, and change na constant thing. If me I fit change, CY fit change. If me I fit change, I believe any person fit change. I not be in the best position for can stand jubilate over CY arrest. No. Yesterday Kamla was still angry. I said, CY, open that door, open that door. The military people them. I brought down that video yesterday. I said, open the door, the military they for outside there. Where we did not say no, it's the people. I tell you, but I brought down that video yesterday because after a apology. CY was so sincere with that apology. I don't know whether the apology touched some people their heart, but it touched me. In which aspect? Nobody is perfect on this media space. No ever talk say 1 or 2 ways you don't insult person, 1 or 2 ways you don't bring that person. Person where he go cast CY, say may CY go prison. May stand cast the first stone. Ma ask you whether you never ever coach, you never ever bully, you never ever. Me, Tyra, no fit cast the first stone on CY. Because what CY have done, I've done it. The fact say I never fall the kind of shock, because CY they in a very serious, that's no third community, in a very serious problem. You understand? In a very serious way. I know I'll code them for precautionary motives and the team where but I want just let community know what they want to know, but I'll quote my languages. Either in a very, there for that position where they'll say no, he go just come out. CY will not come out today. We have done everything possible, but CY will sleep on the cell today. Maybe we'll continue for see what to do, because before CY one make that apology where the thing we don't way go far away, I'll code them. And I know why we talk, so I'll code the languages them. But people the way they behind the scene where they don't understand where to the occur, they'll know what I'm talking about. I'll code it for now. CY before anyone they be hearing CY yesterday on his birthday. The call where they come in for CY, where they pick that call, they be alert CY say now military the day outside for picking. That call will be there inside that show. If you remember, CY made a call, he received call. Wait to say a day live, I will call you later. They be informed CY, a very big person, which I know call names there for my media for precautionary motives. They call CY say power for asset so you don't ruffle. Now military then that the one can carry you. That's why CY is subconscious mind. He decide upon himself to apologize. And that apology touched me. It really touched me. The whole evening I never sleep. One call to the other. The whole today I never sleep. One call to the other. The funniest thing where all with this CY case get for be like a lesson to everybody. I know except myself inside. Because I've been I've been like him, but I decide to redeem myself. For leave the world for social media, for saga, you go cost you to go pay you. I decide to leave that world and create something positive. Any way we fit impact Cameroon in any little way, where I fit impact. Although where you be for positive side, that ODS, you know, get them, because for our head, Cameroonians, they don't always believe saying negativity pays. This should be like a lesson for me, for you, and everybody. It's not all about some people jubilating, some people castigating, some people condemning. No. CY is a Cameroonian and CY is our brother. It's CY for a subconscious mind. He be sorry. He apologized. She went on his knees. The only problem I say before they want to see that video where the action be the way be, because even yesterday he no be fit for come off a house run, because that way be deny for open that door. People sleep now for a front door. We no fit for do anything. You know if for come off a house, you know if for do anything. They be just when me na 6 o'clock reach, me they picky. Lesson we get for learn and see wetin. I see other people when I go post, see why do this, see why do not, see why don't do, I will never do. Person where he never ever seen cast the first stone on CY. Person where never ever coach for media, cast the first stone on CY. Person where never do anything, they cast that first stone on CY. I'm not a fan of CY. I be Team Wukami. I'm not a fan, but CY apology, it touched me. I don't know whether that apology touched you. I see people go out there to say, CY can't apologize because if he don't send the danger. Yes, something must humble somebody. Yes, that one is a fact and is the truth. CY knew the danger in the night before sleeping. Inside that show, CY knew the danger. Inside that show, that call where they call, I know talk who call you or whatsoever. I'll be diplomatic in what I say in front of my camera. But he knew inside that video yesterday, and before sleeping, CY knew what will happen with him in the morning. He knew before sleeping. He was aware. The problem now I want come for like this camera, we Cameroonian. CY now our brother. We will no go leave her. May CY go. CY don't come kosh. If me Tyra fi be a changed person, I believe say Grand CY fi be a changed person. If me Tyra, I don't do come back kind thing for media, I still get a second chance for rebrand myself. I believe say Grand CY fi get a second chance for rebrand himself. I not say the whole 237. I delay for no come life for see the action how community go react, and mostly where community react now mostly hate CY. You don't do, they'll go this. More no forget CY is a Cameroonian. May this just be like a lesson for all we more know the word they use was social media. Cyberbullying is real. That means is condemned. That means he get fine where go pay him, and he get serving for prison. May this CY a lesson be like a lesson to everybody. Typers and typists. Tiema welcome. Typers and typists, everybody for media. Not be only negativity in the pay. Do the right thing. Stop for cosh. Una they do it ignorantly just because say una dey for una homes. You don't know what can happen. You don't know how people can take it far. You don't know so much for me that I don't come and say, you know, if I tell una the situation, I say I don't want to tell una because I not be in the best place for tell any person anything will happen. But CY is in a serious for serious situation where the Cameroonian get for do now, we not get for just beg Mr. Abogibet because all the thing there for Mr. Abogibet is cop right now. We not get for the platform the way we not genuinely love CY because I believe say at least CY go there, he go get his own people the way they love you. He say why he no be take go police. They no fit take go police because see why when election they enter inside something is na serious thing. They no fit for take see why go for police. They no fit for take it go for police. The place where whatever, ma just code my language, but all na say may see why. And the fan of CY, the only thing I'll tell you now, Mr. Abogibe, for the short time where I know this man, if he get his own shortcomings then, but I believe say he get a soft spot, he get a soft heart. I don't beg, I don't cry. I don't beg you say there is always a second chance in life. If me, Tyra, if he get a second chance, I believe say everybody if he get a second chance. Me, I'll be the least person where I fit pick stone and shoot them for CY. I'll be the last person. But if me, Purity say, but why was he arrested after apologizing? Is that he did something wrong again? Purity, with all sincere answer I'll give you. CY apologized when the time when they see that apology, where they always catch CY. CY apologized for night. They be always give for pick CY. They be always come for a house. Even I say for that video, CY be first explain. That time when answer call, when na some person for boya to call you, where they let you know, say no be thief people, then that for outside. No be neighbor, no be thief man, na military, the way they want pick you. They call you where they inside that life. That's why CY started apologizing. But the problem now for that apology now waiting. They be don't way make all things possible. They be don't way make all the to carry him. They be don't way make a way. Even yesterday, CY no people leave the house because that if people be tossing at people, they be there outside house the whole night. That maybe get security where they be the guide. Because that very night before CY one go, CY knew of the situation. Wait to go happen for he said they'll carry for money. He was aware before sleeping that night. CY was aware. It was not something he was not aware. He was aware last night. He was aware. So if you are a fan to CY, the only person who will give for the render apology right now, we go beg those Nigerians. CY get multiple cases there. He get multiple cases there. Not be not only for one, but he get multiple cases. And the only person where they medium, where if he beg these individuals there, now Mr. Abogibe. So if you are a fan of CY, if you genuinely love CY, if you believe say CY can have another chance, he say for lock CY, no go stop he for do wait way he did do. Instead, he go worsen. My darling, no, if me, I fit change, I believe say change is a constant thing. I don't know if some of people wanna know me. I've been I'm not proud of my past. I'm not proud of my past. But I believe say I fit be a changed person, and I believe say CY too can change. Because change is constant. Don't forget about anything. CY is our brother. If you want help, no be navigator to say, I will lock you too. CY will come out anytime. CY will do worse. No. Now for channel, CY apologized yesterday because he know why we apologize. We don't know where to touch she had. He apologized yesterday. He don't find all days that it was yesterday. That apology touch me. CY put his hands so go down for his knees. He asked apology. He even give value for Kamif. Say now one of that best event there. So please, I did beg all Cameroonians them, give everything. Channel that energy for beg. Not channel that energy for condemning more. Beg Mr. Abogibe because he's the only person waiting for that center right now. Where if he help. this, I be una no keep my name look my phone. I don't sleep the whole night. I keep that phone for day. We say it's good. Let him go and change in there. He deserves it so well. He's full of negativity. Let him change. That will teach him a better lesson. Yeah, he go teach you better lesson. If he don't, he go sleep for day because he know if he come out today. We don't do. See why no if he ever come out today. See why no come out today. You know, man, of these people they make up. He no come out today, but he's staying there. See why get kids, he get a wife, he get a family. He's a Cameroonian brother. He don't learn a lesson because they be give his so I'll speak code the one. I will speak in coded way, but for say see why they for legion and they put allegedly they become na first hand information what they give una. First hand information, so I they put allegedly. But the other one mark quote small part. No man no get aim for plan bad for CY. We just want CY to change. I, Tyra, just want CY to change. I, for example, I just want to change where CY go change. For use that energy in a positive way. For use that energy for impact either than for curse or for insult or for bully. I love CY as a person, but I condemn in way where he carry out things them. I condemn him. But as a person, he get the voice. So what you fit do? I beg, I don't see a lot of people that they condemn me. No, may go rest. Use channel that your energy. Channel that energy to beg, Mr. Abogibet. I stand before my screen, Mr. Abogibet. I see say you there for inside this show, you watch me. Say, please. I beg you. My dreaming before. I be so emotional. Sorry. Mr. Abogibet, I'm begging you. Please forgive CY. CY don't decide for change. He don't decide for abide to your conditions then. More just give you a benefit of doubt. If me, Tyra, I fit change, CY fit change. Oh, we don't wrong. Best we never seen. May he cast the first stone on CY. My way never seen. Sorry guys, I go take my drink. So please, I beg the 237 community, if you have any iota of love for CY, wait till I get for the CY the right time. Please, may everybody just join your hand, keep begging Mr. Abogibet because the whole thing is in his court. Just keep begging him. Mo, just keep begging him. He say, Mom, see why he apology be done, be planned since. Not be because of the signal yesterday. He birthday promise be enough apologize for all man. And then, okay, it's still the same thing. Use that medium now. Romanos. Channel your begging to Mr. Abogibet. He's the only person that can help CY right now. And due to the team way I don't beg, don't get that soft spot for CY. More just, we not pay plenty for the industry. It takes all of us to build an industry. It not take a single person. Just use this thing. We don't get so excellent. See why we don't plan now. For make and say, people go believe say, because me, that apology touch me. I see why no. We don't need query. So they see why belong me. I don't query CY. I don't coach CY. I don't do all kind of thing for CY. But I felt that apology. The way he went down on his knees. The way he presented everything, it touched me. Madam, do not beg in place of CY. He's not a kid. Let him learn sense. CY will come out and continue because people like will beg. Let him learn. My darling, they say something must calm a person. Something must make you. Something must calm a person. I think say Mr. Gilbert, that'll be that person now he won't calm CY. Will you just send a stone? Will you cast him? If they said CY we don't plan this apology, meaning it was a sincere apology. You ain't go cast him and no beg for CY. CY is a Cameroonian. CY na our brother. Na Cameroonian na our brother. CY not be foreigner. CY na our brother. Even you where the comment, I believe say don't do 1 or 2 wrongs there. You go leave a brother may fall shock. You go leave a brother may go for situation. So when they say go come go can't do more. No, maybe he has changed. Maybe he wants to be a better person. Maybe he want to carry the 80-20 in another level. Chai Papa got a say let them send him to New Bell. Please, Cameroonians, I'm begging. I be the least person for beg right now. But I believe say CY is a changed person. And if you now know, Mr. Bogibe gave some conditions for CY. At the beginning, it will be a tough head for Abai to eat. But I believe say this afternoon, he don't succumb for the conditions them. Just put CY for prayer. Put Mr. Bogibe for prayer. Make God soften his heart. Make God touch his heart. For say, maybe tomorrow is promising, but today, CY will sleep for day today. Today is not promising because CY will not come out today. But maybe tomorrow is promising. Tomorrow is promising. Please, put Mr. Bogibe for your prayer. Any place where you go, if you be a true fan of CY or a true fan for sure, say, oh man, the sin and cut short of the glory. Just drop one post. Even CY don't do all the kind of thing. We know, just leave it so. More give CY that second chance. More give CY that second. If I figure second chance, I believe say CY figure second chance. Chai mami, Seta, you wounded too. You wounded too. Who's gonna come and say me God not touch Mr. Bogibe? He go touch the heart. I beg, at the beg. At the beg 237 community. I just thank God say God don't touch CY where he don't comply for the conditions the way they begin. They may render apology and they gave him some conditions where I know talk for phone screen for personal reasons. But they gave him some condition. In the morning, he be like a strong head to those conditions then. But as of this afternoon, he don't start accept to all the conditions then. But he no go come out today. He cannot come out today. He will sleep there today. So, but I believe tomorrow is promising. And the highest thing. And the Tiema, you and I beg, Tiema Satiwa. Tiema, no, now you go kill me. No, now kill me, I beg. It's so, but this thing, this thing should be like a lesson for everybody for this social media. Cyberbullying is a crime for Cameroon. I say they don't say CY, they cashing away tea. There's a thing where they call it for Cameroon, say cyberbullying. I don't know other people be aware. Oh, but we for YouTube will be aware because they don't the sample we ever long about cyberbullying. I don't know other people be aware. I don't know. People they ask say, CY go thief. No, you must not thief before they lock you up. You must not do something before they lock you up. No. They don't put CY under the issue of it do cyberbullying and it do cyber. It complicate. I don't want to talk because it's okay, but it get a very serious case right now. It really complicates, and where it takes now prayers and begging on Mr. Bogibe. Where I don't the beg and I'll continue the beg, even if I need down continue the beg, I'll still need down continue the begging. Because I see the suffer when Mr. Bogibe do before Camille was a success. Mr. Bogibe, the carry chair for a hand. Are they for heels for how many days, Oboya? On top heels, they do interview, the worker, they do this. We need to sleep. Just for make occasion may be a success. And then person can downgrade them, coach the guests, and coach the visitors, coach the this. You understand? Purity, they will. What we need to do right now is to, if you love CY, each play will go, drop comment, say, Mr. Bogibe, please, because they cut dinner for Mr. Bogibe Tihan. All the strings, na only ye. All the strings, that means CY get like 15 strings to ye. The man defining for this side. I don't want to talk for scared community. I don't want to talk, but he's in a very, very serious something. But the middleman, na Mr. Bogibe, if he quench the fire, na Mr. Bogibe if he talks, help me out, na Mr. Bogibe if he talks, say this, na Mr. Bogibe. You can do a post. Purity, go do a post right now. I go channel and forgive Mr. Gibbet. I'm one of the team members. I will channel them to you. Do a post. If you are a fan of CY, do post and send them. Send them for my inbox or just tag me for day. I'll send them all for you. Go see them. This is a time to show love for CY. Any iota of love for you don't ever love you. This is the time. More join together. One man of it do one. I never sleep the whole night. TMI if you bear me witness the whole today I never sleep. The whole today I never even chop. I stop call where I dey call. Say my drink na coke where I dey make up. I dey for phone. See yesterday I dey for phone can reach today. I still dey for phone. I dey for phone. I dey job back una. At the job bekuna na bekuna. And please, if person love CY too, as it stand, they toss na here, to say the mob way people they pass on for social media. Hey, I get this. When you fall shock, after you know say get nobody. The whole today, no man never visit CY. Now me send barrister for day. The whole today person never visit CY. Now let's so one girl be go for they go the shout. No fan. See why they for boy? Why everything say by now people don't ride or go for day. No man never go for day. No man never go for day. I don't know that so una love enough for una back keyboard. No man never go for day. Now me call barrister we don't go for day. Please, Mr. Bogibe. I don't beg you the whole today. I don't beg you. Since I start beg you, I don't cry for you. I don't hold your food that day. Mr. Billy Bob Vice. That means I did beg all the team. I did beg all the. I did beg everybody. Please. I did beg na beg. No man never pass for day. No lawyer never pass for day. No person never pass for day. I did beg. Na beg. God. God. It's crazy. Purity, I know the boy. I don't come back. I don't come back for place for a day. Gloria, that's true. When you enter public, I think say no. Like how many, but by how many? Nobody. The only one person come for there be the shout na shout, the shout na shout. The last canter the person may go. No barrister, no lawyer. I don't know. By tomorrow is promising. But I just thank God say, see why don't they come to a compromise, say he go do everything where they want them. He don't they come to a compromise. Where first the things that he get for delete all those videos, the way he make them, where they insult people there for me page. The first thing they want me page go down, but the dialogue so he go keep a page. We don't pass that stage for a page, but he go remove all the insult. We don't insult people there for a page. Which he be ready to say go do, huh? You understand? So, but today, my brother and my sister, them, CY will not, and they talk allegedly, and they talk now with facts. CY no go sleep for a house today. CY go sleep for Legion tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will keep on updating una, but I need to go detailedly for the Coco people, their name. I go just call na Mr. Bogibet name, now all that I will talk codedly. I'll talk codedly, but I'll make sure say una be posted for people where they be the doubter. No, CY is there. We don't wait the right the first. They say may apologize. It don't fair right the first apology. They say may write the second one way right now. They write down how we go steps to step. I'll let una know, but I go be very very diplomatic way. I know they call people their name. I know they go detailedly, but I will tell una the top which way they occur. But if you are a fan of CY, if even you go VC giving that, no man never pass today. I'm not sure whether they don't chop because the last time I check, no man never pass today. If you give na bread, if you give na water, if you give na, because no man never get it. People they say they call it, they never get it because they don't take your phone. If they for sale, they don't take your phone. So you know if you get it, if you know say you love it, if you go na for Legion, you go give him bread, even chop. And they talk to some family, may woman, yeah. If you go for they go give chop, may chop, give bread, give. Not be now everybody where they say accept them for day. If you are a good lawyer, but I believe say lawyer really there for day. If you have anything, but the only two will give do now for keep on the beg Mr. Bogibet because the ball is in his court. Keep begging him. I'll keep on the begging for my own side where they more keep begging. There's nothing where God cannot do. People they don't say CY can never change. CY if me Tyra fit change, CY fit change. I wish you guys knew me months ago. I wish you people knew me. If me I can change, CY can change. There's nothing. Change is a very constant thing. So keep on. I want to see that pose on the beg na Mr. Bogibet. Please, sir, please, we understand. See why it's a change person. Send them, tag me for them. I put on my page, me Mr. Bogibet. As I did like say they behind, in there, the see say he's watching. Tag those posts, map, tag them, open them. If you love CY, this is the time to show love to him. This is the time. As he say people they talk. So I hope I don't give you the detailing. The condition, the way they be, where that vlog because they be give condition. Yes, CY don't accept to the conditions there. But he no go come out today, go sleep for jail. He go sleep for day today. He no go back for your house. He go sleep for day tomorrow. So tomorrow we go see how it go unfold. You don't understand? So I did just beg, na beg. Mr. Bogibet, Papa, I do on my knees. I do on my knees, Daddy. I don't beg you. I do on my knees. Mo just give CY that one chance. I believe say CY una fit work together, take the industry for another level. I believe in this industry. Now the thing that way I forgo my past life for embark on this journey way again at 21 people them they watch me. I don't reach level where no be 21 people they watch me. When I finish YouTube, they know me. Where I can't let no be 21, but if I feel let go, I get that belief for industry. I believe say we can take this industry to another level. I'm begging, please give CY another chance. Please. Give him another chance. I believe say he don't learn a lesson. And he don't learn the hard way. We no fit join for key a brother. No fit join for staff a brother. Please, I'm begging you in God's name. I'll beg you every day. And all the names the way CY don't apologize to, please, you both should forgive CY. CY na human being like me and you. More take his story for be a changed person. Negativity no the pay. Negativity they give views. Negativity they make you get money for YouTube. Negativity they make you the lost respect. You don't even know what that elderly people them. The big man. You dey insult any person just for that likes, comment, and whatsoever. But it doesn't pay. I'm a testimony to that. It doesn't. Being a negative person, it will never lead you to your right destination. It will never. It will never. So I'm begging. I dey beg na beg, Mr. Bogibe. I'll keep una. Who be CYA? CY say he be one man army. Oh, Father, he be one man army, yeah, but he has apologized yesterday night. Yeah, he will be, but if una no beg, how it go be? How it go do be released? Una get for beg, una get for know the situation at ground because people they don't say they don't know the details. Now the details and that what they tell una right now. But he don't start right the by now, maybe tomorrow he go get another lawyer for the because but for now I talk, no person never visit him. So if you are a lover of CY, you give it, he go sleep for day today. If you go get chop, the last I check him, I know if a woman never come for day. I don't know. So if a woman hear this my show, if he get the my show, may go because CY go sleep for day today. If you go give chop, if you go give anything, because no man never go looking, no man never pass for day today. Now only the barrister will call you Monterey day for day. Even up to now, they still day for day. They show how they write the thing for CY, how to do the writing, how to do the presentation for just guiding. But if any person get an alternative barrister, they feel work hand in gloves with the one way he already there on board now. So for day, because as I talk now, no barrister no day apart from the one way I call for morning time we go for day. But if person get an alternative, if he send them for day, maybe you understand. So I hope say it be okay. So I beg community. I hope say I code my language the best way I feel code them. I believe so, but I still give out the message. Any update on CY? I no go the post them, but if you just come live enlighten, but I will not go detail. No, I will not go detail. I will not copy post them. I will not call this. It charges them. No, I'm not supposed to do that. But I will just let una know say CY needs our prayer. CY they in a very serious situation. CY if possible person get legal mind for boya. Where if he go there or go get chop or tell a woman may go there because CY no go come back for house today. A woman no say go come back for house, but CY go sleep for day today. CY no come back for house. So even if he get to your wife, they say may go see massa for day, it go be a very good thing because as I talk up to now, no man never go for day. You know what chop since we they carry for Monterey, no man never see, no man never go for day. So if you go cook, go get chop, or because he go sleep for day today. His sister say, make people no shake, all things they under control. So no the worry yourself, sweetheart. Judith, when I like for put fire, so te chai, Tema, you see your country people then Tema, you hear me? You see your country people then Tema. Only talk with. Oh, Papa God. Ah, Papa God, the industry, no. So, guys, I will be so brief. I want to make community know what is happening. Make community know. So, and they say, no, na lie. See why they ask. No, na lie. No, I'm not saying allegedly. I'm saying with 100% facts and 100% everything. What I'm saying right now, and by tomorrow I'll update una because today they struggle for do the writing, they struggle for do so. Tomorrow we'll see, we'll take from there. I will struggle to put maybe legal minds then they'll struggle, but the only person where if he help me, Outing with all the Tiema, you support your sister, Tiema. Tiema don't give me all day with children. They will make a member talk to you, don't give a talk. Now I'll just be the I need coming names, I need talk till they occur for back, but I promise when I say we'll do our best to continue begging when what has to be done right now. Continue begging, may no escalate where see why go Yaoundé, because if you go Yaoundé now for day where it will be out of hand. If you lost Siwa, again for pray for Siwa. If Siwa go Yaoundé, it will be out of hand. I also never talk go far with him. So please, may the job handle and for Boya, may no escalate. If it land for Yaoundé, it will be out of hand. So I beg community, una continue to beg Mr. Bogibe. All posts around the cell say, please say, please leave CY, please say. Because now Bogibe get the knife and the cake. And I go know whether he butcher the cake or he do her with the cake. Now Mr. Bogibe. Now I hold the knife and the cake of everything. Now Mr. Bogibe. I don't keep the begging. Una fit join together. We'll continue begging. I don't cry today. I see. I don't talk for you the whole today. One phone to the other. I don't cry. I don't do all things. I don't cry. All our voice matter. Please. If CY don't change, we'll give him another chance. If he decide to redeem himself from that video, the kneeling down, the everything, it touched me. I don't know that it touched you not too, but it touched me from my bone marrows. Even I see few days ago, I be the kick against CY, the koshkoshi kick against C. There's a graph, I be the disrespecting. But if I be touched, if it touch me, if it touch everybody, and if I fit change, CY if it change. I love una back to back. Please, I go see call this name they gave where CY apologize to. Mr. Enombi, Prince Enombi, please forgive CY. Mr. Bogibe, please forgive CY. Mama Talaku, please forgive CY. APM Global, please forgive CY. Stephanie Toom, please forgive CY. Asaba, please forgive CY. Melogis, please forgive CY. Spakoli, please forgive CY. I know I call your name again. Kosi, my man, please forgive CY. Please, please, CY is our brother, a Cameroonian, our brother. Give him this second chance to prove himself. CY get the vibes, he get the voice. Now just say they use them in the wrong way. Please. I believe change is constant and I will never be the person to pick stone for shoot CY. Because I've been worse than him. But if I feel rebrand myself, I believe say CY feel rebrand himself. I love when I back to back. I know I'll talk detailedly for now, but I'll keep una posted. But as we talk, if we get any person where get CY family, may wife go get chop because no person never come for day. As I talk, as of this time where they talk, the wife never get chop, and since when they pick he never chop, so the wife and the family they feel go for they go get chop. So that may even chop small. I beg. I love una back to back. Una take good care for yourself. Me, Tyra, I don't go. I'll keep you guys posted. And I'll go quote the way I talk for precautionary motives. And I know they get into, but I'll just enlighten, make community know what is happening. So I'll keep you guys posted. Take care of yourself. I'm gone. Bye-bye.